I'm going to show you how to crack your back like a pro at home. In a seated position like this, take one leg and throw it over like such. You're going to take your other arm and cross it over that knee. This other hand back here is supporting itself just behind your body. On your exhale, you're going to take this arm and push it against this knee. What it's going to do is help you get a nice deep mid-thoracic twist and really help pop, crack, and release your mid back. All right, so it looks like this. Nice inhale, nice exhale.